Hi, I'm John with Heartland Service. In this segment, we're going to talk about seal maintenance, what we need to look for, what tools we need, and what products that we need to do that. Heartland recommends that you inspect your coach and check for seal voids, chaulking, or cracking sealant every 90 days and reseal as needed. First, we're going to need a high-quality seal gun. The proper sealant, we recommend Sikaflex. In this case, we're going to use SG10, which is a clear sealant. You'll need a putty bone or blue stick to clean up the seal, liquid detergent for tooling, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. The putty bones can be purchased directly from CRL, or you can find them on Amazon as well. So what we're going to want to do is clean the old seal off. We'll use the blue stick to do that. You'll just make one pass on the bottom of your seal, and then come back. And as you can see, that cleans that out real nice. Once we've cleaned out the seal, we'll want to go back and wipe down with isopropyl alcohol to clean that area up before we put our new sealant in. Now we're ready to apply the new sealant. When doing this, you'll want to apply about an 1/8 to a 1/4 inch bead depending on the size of the gap that you're filling. Once you've applied the bead of seal, you can spray it down with soapy water, and that'll help to tool it a little easier. You'll want to tool it with your finger, a light amount of pressure. You don't need to push really hard, and that completes it.